Integrating plant-based room dividers into open-concept living serves as a practical application of biophilic design, offering a way to define distinct zones without sacrificing light or airiness. These living walls, or tiered planters, provide a flexible, non-permanent alternative to traditional construction, using natural textures and varied heights to create visual privacy. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these green partitions improve indoor air quality and promote psychological well-being by bringing the calming elements of the outdoors into the functional heart of the home. A plant room divider serves a dual purpose. It creates a sense of privacy and defined zones within a larger area while simultaneously introducing a vibrant, living element. Unlike solid walls that can make a space feel enclosed or smaller, a green partition maintains an airy, light feel. Whether used to carve out a cozy reading nook in a living room, establish a home office corner in a studio apartment, or add a touch of tranquility to a commercial space, the versatility of plant dividers is undeniable. The visual barrier they provide can be as dense or as permeable as desired, using different plant types to control the level of light and sightline interruption. The benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. Indoor plants are natural air purifiers, filtering out common indoor pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and benzene, thereby improving air quality. This healthier environment translates into tangible benefits for people. Studies have shown that proximity to plants can reduce stress levels, boost mood, and increase productivity and attention span. The presence of a living partition also helps in noise absorption, contributing to a calmer, more peaceful atmosphere. Creating a plant room divider is a flexible and creative endeavor. Options range from simply lining a vertical shelf or an open frame unit with a variety of potted plants to elaborate, built-in vertical gardens. The choice of plants is crucial and depends on the available natural light and the desired effect. Tall, statement plants like the fiddle leaf fig or Ficus lyrata or various types of palms can provide substantial visual weight and height. Trailing plants such as pothos or ivy work beautifully when draped from high shelves or hanging systems, creating a lush, green curtain effect. For low-maintenance options suitable for various light conditions, hardy choices like the snake plant are excellent for busy individuals. The design can be further enhanced with the use of decorative planters, grow lights for spaces lacking natural sun, or even a simple string of fairy lights for added ambience. A room divider featuring plants is a dynamic and thoughtful design choice that transcends simple space organization. It is a living piece of art that fosters a deeper connection with the natural world within the confines of our built environments. By seamlessly blending function, beauty, and wellness, this green solution offers a refreshing and sustainable way to transform any space into a serene, organized, and invigorating sanctuary. The modern living room is more than just a place for relaxation. It has become a multifunctional hub for work, dining, and social gatherings. As open-concept layouts remain popular in these years, the challenge lies in defining these zones without compromising the airy feel of a home. Utilizing indoor plants as a living partition has emerged as a premier solution, blending functional space articulation with the aesthetic and physiological benefits of biophilic design. In the ever-evolving world of interior design, homeowners and renters alike are constantly seeking innovative ways to maximize their living spaces. One such ingenious solution that has gained immense popularity in recent years is the use of indoor plants as room dividers. Not only do these verdant partitions add a touch of natural beauty to any space, but they also serve as practical and versatile tools for creating distinct zones within a room. Incorporating indoor plants as room dividers offers a multitude of benefits that go beyond mere aesthetics. Some of the key advantages are improved spatial efficiency, enhanced privacy, improved air quality, stress reduction and relaxation, and versatility and customization. By strategically placing indoor plants, you can effectively divide a larger room into more functional and intimate zones, allowing you to make the most of your available square footage. This is particularly useful in open concept layouts or studios where the need to create distinct areas is paramount. Indoor plants can serve as natural, living barriers that provide a sense of privacy and seclusion, without the need for permanent walls or partitions. This is especially beneficial in shared living spaces, where the ability to create personal retreats is essential for maintaining harmony and personal boundaries. Many indoor plants are known for their air purifying properties, helping to remove harmful toxins and improve the overall air quality of your living space. By using these plants as room dividers, you can enjoy the dual benefits of visual separation and improved respiratory health. Numerous studies have shown that the presence of indoor plants can have a calming and restorative effect on the human psyche. By incorporating these natural elements into your room dividers, you can create a serene and soothing atmosphere, which can be particularly beneficial in high-stress areas like home offices or meditation spaces. Indoor plants come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and species, allowing you to tailor your room dividers to suit your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. Whether you prefer tall, lush plants or more compact, sculptural varieties, the options are endless, enabling you to create a truly unique and personalized living environment. When selecting indoor plants to use as room dividers, there are several key factors to consider. These are light requirements, maintenance level, size and shape, and aesthetic preferences. Different plant species have varying light needs, so it's essential to choose plants that will thrive in the specific lighting conditions of your living space. For areas with limited natural light, opt for low light tolerant plants like snake plants or pothos. Consider your lifestyle and the amount of time you're willing to dedicate to plant care. Low maintenance options like succulents, philodendrons, or Chinese evergreens are ideal for those with busy schedules or limited gardening experience. The size and shape of your indoor plants will determine the overall visual impact and functionality of your room dividers. Taller, column-like plants can create a sense of grandeur and separation, while more compact, bushy varieties can be used to define smaller zones. Your personal style and the overall design aesthetic of your home should also play a role in your plant selection. Choose plants that complement the existing decor and color scheme, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing result. Once you've selected the perfect indoor plants for your room dividers, it's time to start planning the layout and design. Here are some tips to help you create a stunning and functional plant-based partition. Consider the flow of traffic, experiment with layering, incorporate lighting, accessorize with planters and pedestals, and maintain and prune regularly. When positioning your indoor plant room dividers, be mindful of the natural flow of movement within the space. Avoid placing them in high traffic areas or narrow passages, as this could disrupt the overall functionality of the room. For a more dynamic and visually interesting effect, consider layering your indoor plants by placing taller varieties in the back and shorter ones in the front. This creates a sense of depth and dimension, adding visual interest to your room dividers. Strategically placed lighting can enhance the beauty and drama of your indoor plant room dividers. Consider using spotlights, pendant lights, or even string lights to highlight the foliage and create a warm, inviting ambience. The containers you choose for your indoor plants can also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your room dividers. Opt for stylish, modern planters or elevated pedestals to add an extra touch of sophistication and visual interest. To keep your indoor plant room dividers looking their best, be sure to maintain them with regular watering, pruning, and cleaning. This will not only ensure the health and longevity of your plants but also preserve the visual appeal of your room dividers over time. Embracing the power of indoor plants as room dividers is a versatile and visually stunning way to transform your living space. By carefully selecting the right plants, considering their placement and design, and maintaining them with care, you can unlock the full potential of indoor plants as stylish and practical room dividers. Using indoor plants as room dividers is a stylish and practical way to transform your home. By choosing the right plants and arranging them thoughtfully, you can create beautiful natural partitions that enhance your living space. In the evolving landscape of interior design, the plant partition divider room stand has transitioned from a niche hobbyist project into a cornerstone of sustainable, biophilic living. These multifunctional structures serve as living walls that define spaces while providing the psychological and physical benefits of nature within an indoor environment. Modern plant partition range from minimalist metal frames to rustic DIY wooden assemblies. Popular styles in these years include vertical grids and trellises, modular shelving and mobile planter boxes. Vertical grids and trellises allow vining plants like ivy or pothos to grow upward, creating a lush, vertical carpet of green. Open-backed bookshelves serve as plant libraries, where various pot sizes can be arranged to control the level of transparency between zones. Often equipped with casters, mobile planter boxes' large rectangular stands allow for a flexible floor plan that can be configured as the room needs change. The integration of a plant stand as a divider is a practical application of biophilic design. Beyond aesthetics, these partitions function as natural air purifiers, filtering indoor toxins and releasing oxygen. Studies have shown that the presence of greenery in a workspace can increase productivity and decrease stress levels, making these stands a vital tool for mental well-being in the modern home. The plant partition divider room stand represents a shift toward more organic, life-centered architecture. By combining the utility of a piece of furniture with the vitality of a garden, it solves the modern challenge of space management while reconnecting inhabitants with the natural world. Whether through a custom metal seascape design or a simple DIY wooden trellis, these stands have become essential for those seeking a harmonious balance between structure and life. Unlike traditional drywall or static wood panels, plant stand dividers offer a breathable alternative for open concept layouts. In modern homes and high-density apartments, they are used to define zones, enhance privacy and optimize acoustics. Effortlessly separate a home office from a bedroom or a dining area from a living room without sacrificing light or air circulation. Living greenery naturally absorbs sound, reducing the echoes common in open-plan offices and large rooms. Integrating plants into partitions allows for green boundaries that provide gentle separation without the heavy visual weight of solid walls. Unlike traditional dividers, a plant-based partition maintains light flow and air circulation while guiding movement through a home. Designers often use materials like sleek metal frames, wooden shelving, or hanging macrame to house foliage, creating a vertical garden that doubles as a piece of living architecture. Beyond their beauty, living partitions serve as vital ecological aids. Plants are natural air purifiers, absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen to improve indoor air quality. They also offer significant psychological advantages. Research indicates that being surrounded by nature can reduce stress levels, increase happiness, and boost productivity. Additionally, the density of a green wall can act as a natural acoustic barrier, absorbing background noise and creating a quieter, more intimate environment within a large room. The effectiveness of a plant partition depends on the selection of species and their placement. Tall, slim plants like Dracaena lisa or dense bamboo provide immediate privacy in studio apartments or open halls. Climbing plants such as pothos or philodendron can be grown on trellises or hung from the ceiling to create a green ribbon effect that subtly demarcates space while remaining visually permeable. Open wooden shelves or multi-level plant stands allow for a personalized, urban jungle that organizes space while offering storage for other decorative items. A living room partition with plants is a sustainable and dynamic choice for contemporary interiors. It transforms a static room divider into an evolving ecosystem that enhances the health of its inhabitants while providing a sophisticated, organic structure to the home.